Barabbas 1961 film. Did you know that the 1961 film Barabbas Sun in fiction by shooting during solar eclipse of February 15, 1961? Babylon. Did you know that Babylon was one of the largest of Raptorsauria, with an estimated adult length of about 7.5 m and body mass of around 1.2 t or 2 t? Case 2. Did you know that one of the longest civil trials in Utah history, with 1,000 exhibits, concerned the purchase of Case 2? Ernst Schulen. Did you know that Vice Admiral Ernst Schulen was killed in action a month before the end of the Second World War in Europe while leading a hastily raised division of naval troops in defense of Germany? The X Factor, the band. Did you know that before winning the X Factor, the band as part of ROI, Luna Martinez had released 2 singles as part of an anti-bullying campaign? Computer Applications, Inc. Did you know that in a rapid decline, Computer Applications, Inc. went from the second largest independent software firm in the United States to being bankrupt and subject to liquidation? Elaine Marshall. Did you know that Elaine Marshall became the first woman elected to the North Carolina Council of State in its 246-year existence? Instrument 1. Did you know that the instrument 1 can be a guitar, piano, violin, or drum kit? Robe of State. Did you know that a British monarch arrives at their coronation wearing the robe of state, is crowned while wearing the supertunica, still royal, robe royal, and coronation glove, and leaves Westminster Abbey wearing the imperial robe? Special occasion hook for May 6. Cross of Wales. Did you know that the Cross of Wales, leading the procession at the coronation of Charles and MBSB, Roman III and Camilla, features 2 relics of the True Cross gifted to the King by Pope Francis? Te Deum Ruline. Did you know that the 2018 Te Deum for choir by Peter Ruline uses the same instruments, including a bandoneon as Palmaris Missa Buenos Aires, and is inspired by tango music, contradanza and Huipango? Helen Lecture. Did you know that Helen Lecture's presentation at the Women at the Hague conference, which Mary Heaton Voss described as the most moving speech of all the Congress, a dish for peace? Bishop of Edinburgh. Did you know that today the Bishop of Edinburgh plays a ceremonial role at the coronation of Charles and MBSB, Roman III and Camilla as a representative of the Walker Trustees? Special occasion hook for May 6. W-Top TV. Did you know that the tower of W-Top TV turned into a Christmas time landmark in Winston-Salem, North Carolina? Price 2. Did you know that the Grey Star is a type of sled dog favored especially for dryland racing like Caicross and mushing hatchback hedgering? Coronation of George Roman II and Caroline. Did you know that during coronation of George Roman II and Caroline of Ansbough's dress was reportedly so covered in jewels that she required a pulley to lift her skirt for her to kneel?